Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Teams in your laptop or Windows 10 PC. So first of all you need to go to any browser that you have. So I'm going to Firefox browser here. Then you need to go to Google and search for Microsoft Teams here. As you can see, I've already searched the Microsoft Teams here, and this will show you the first link here, www.microsoft.com, video conferencing, meetings and callings here. So you need to click the link here, and this will go to the Microsoft Teams website here. So as you can see, it shows sign up for free, and you need to download the Microsoft Team here. So as you can see, there's an option called the download Teams here. So just click on the download Teams here, and then it will show you for download for desktop or mobile. So you need to download for desktop here, click on it, and then it is showing the download for Windows 10 or 11. So you need to download for Windows 10 here because I'm using Windows 10 here. Then this will show you the file here, which is only 120 MB exe file. So just click on save file and it will start to download here. As you can see, it's downloading here, so it will take some moment on your internet speed. After completing the download option, you need to go to the folder where you have download the folder here. So just click on the folder and it will show you the downloaded exe file here. So you just need to double click on it, and now you just have to click run here. So it will take some moments to first time opening the Microsoft Team here. As you can see, it's opening, installing the Microsoft Teams, and as you can see, Microsoft Teams is installed here. And if you don't have an account, you need to log in with your email ID here or Microsoft account here. I have already have an account in Microsoft Team here, so here's the email. If I just click on the email, I will just continue as the Microsoft Team here. So now you just have to enter your password and log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you just can create an account here. So that's it guys, this is how you install Microsoft Team in your laptop or PC or Windows 10 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.